The average credit card debt of any person who resides in the United States is over $6,000, with interest rates of 20%. A survey was conducted recently that showed that 70% of people living in the US have less than $1,000 in their bank accounts. The current population of the US is over 300 million, and imagine 70% of the population living a vulnerable life. And if anyone loses their job or has any kind of emergency, they can become homeless overnight with no support at all. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Worth of Channel, the place where we are on the path to achieving the first 1 million net worth, enjoying financial freedom and early retirement. Spend money wisely. Life is challenging, and if you don't live it wisely, you will lose all you have. Money is something that you should spend smartly. If you have low pay, you should learn that you're not in a position to buy the latest model car, house, or your favorite brand cell phone. With low income, buying things that are not needed yet should be avoided. By spending a lot of money on liabilities that cost money to sustain only takes the money out of your pocket instead of making that money for yourself. Save 20% of your income. Whether you have a low or high income, you must set at least 20% of your income aside. If you set aside 20% of your income, not using this amount won't impact your daily life, but saving 20% of your income every month will support you when you will need it the most. Save to repay debt. If you're someone who has piles of debt on you, it's time to do the second saving, and that is set 20% of your pay to repay debt. Be more frugal until you pay your debt. For instance, if you have a credit card debt with a high interest rate, then the worst thing you're doing is you're giving extra money of your hard work to the banks or companies, which is total waste of your hard work and money. Once you'll pay all the debt through constantly saving 20% of your income, believe us, you will learn to save more money that you can later invest. Invest your money. If you have a minimum or average paid job, invest it in yourself and learn a skill that will help you make more money. For example, you can learn digital marketing, graphical designing, programming and tech, or anything that is the most demanded skill in the future. Use these skills to work for you, and you will see that more money will come to you. Invest that money in real estate, stock market, or invest in your business. Calculate costs. If your friend asks you to join him or her at a concert or wants to go watch a movie, the ticket price of both may set you back about $125 to $150. You may not be able to gather that much amount soon because you will need to work an extra 9 to 10 hours to earn this much money. So, decide whether you want to go watch a movie or a concert or save money to secure your future. The calculation habit will help you avoid things that are not important or may damage your financial life. Remove the thought that only wealthy people get to live better. Once you begin to work hard, save, and use money wisely, you will eventually feel tired or bored. Don't let boredom or fatigue overcome your goals, because your goal needs consistency, stability, and hard work. Your level of determination, willingness to live low for the time being, and honestly saving and investing will help you break through. These strong habits will soon build healthy financial habits and happy life. When we talk about a happy life, it comes from your habit of saving. When you think about how much you have saved, whether it's $100 or $1,000, it will make you feel tranquil and peaceful, and you will appreciate the efforts that made you save a certain amount of money. Learn from self-made people. If you look at the wealthiest people in the world, you will realize how they saved and invested wisely. Elon Musk, one of the richest person in the world, had a very difficult past. People bullied him, but he kept moving forward. He made some great decisions and wisely used the amount of money in his business. He is the true example of smart investing and personal development. We all need to learn basic lessons from him to help improve our life and gradually move towards success. Which methods are you using for your personal finance? Please don't forget to like and comment your thoughts in the comment section down below. Share it with your friends and family. Subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more videos like this.